What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ronnie. So today we're gonna be, going to Durham. We got a Durham, meets. We're collabing with them. Going to do a rally. Right now we're at the QT. It's supposed to be a lot of people in Durham. Hopefully it is. I can get some content for you guys. But mainly right now we're chilling at QT. We've been here since 2 o'clock or so. I couldn't take the Maxima because I don't trust that thing going all the way to damn Durham. But basically, I'll be riding with Carolina Car Culture. We're gonna be fooling around. I'm gonna get some rolling shots of some cars. So as you guys see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but got a Beamer right there, got an Infiniti, got everybody over there. Then we got Knockout 360 right there. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. I'll get back to you guys when we start rolling out. All right, let's get it.
Everybody off. Everybody off. Just cut everybody off.
I needed to get on north.
He's staring at us so hard.
That was north.
No, it's telling me to go down here. You get on north.
Rose gon' roll on the nigga, put the hoe down, hood on. Picture nutter knew I had put the drip on. Ask me how many niggas I done put on. My private plane's about to fly with the good old. I fuck with bougie bitches, fuck a hood hoe. Hit that bitch from the back and told her ditto. Seen the Jackson, the nigga had to get low. She looking at the paddock like some Skittles. Her husband been talking tough, I turned a widow. Giuseppe got me on my tiptoe. Why you wifing on the flip, ho? Bought the strap and playing give and go. Savage jackets out the window. Tried the robbers, got the stendo. We ain't playing no pretender. Sipping on this codeine, the nigga got speak my mind. I remember we was having pop on them behind, yeah. I get money, I can see the hate inside his eyes, yeah. Fuck a bitch, I had to grab her by the waist. Hit the pussy till I knock it out of place. In a V12, get a lot of face. Spare the details, finished on the face. And I had to strap when I caught my case. Just got the grow house started in the bay.
Alright guys, so we made it to the second spot. As you see, still got the same amount of cars, maybe a lot more. We met up with these guys right here. But yeah, it's gonna be an awesome time. I feel like it's gonna be a very good day, good night, and we're gonna see how it goes. We got some badass cars here. Those, you already see it. We got Knockout 360 up in this bitch. You see him? Look at him over there vlogging. YouTube Nation. But yeah, so yes sir. But yeah, we just got back from. We went to Charlotte to now we're in Greensboro or Winston-Salem. I've never been out here, so you guys have to excuse me every now and again because I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys and show you guys some more rollers and go out to when we get to I guess Durham or whatever. But I get back to you guys. All right, peace. What's good, YouTube? So we're at the second or third spot, wherever it is, or we're at the second or third spot. We met up with some more people. We got people from Greensboro to come with us. It's lit. We ran through the highway. No cops, no problems, no nothing like that. But yeah, so we got a good amount of cars. You see the car with the Band-Aid. Then we got Hellcat right there. Got them, and we got another Charger. You see that? Yeah. Look at this. Got a Charger. Got some cars down here. Some more cars over there. So as you see, it's a pretty good turnout. If I didn't say it any other time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? I need that subscription. All right. You guys love me. I love you. And then it's all through the love. But yeah, so I'll get back to you guys when we get to the next spot, because right now I'm about to have me some fun. All right, peace. So I got some glasses today, guys. It looks great. She thinks it looks great. Look at this.
It goes with your
jeans. Look at Carolina Car Culture. Don't I look great?
You like his fresh glasses, bro?
Exactly, I look good, don't I? You don't. Come on, you.
They got a whole ass Goodwill section.
Come on, buddy. You don't like it, buddy? Tell me I don't look good.
You need the wallet.
Bruh, tell me I don't look good, man.
Bro, look at the wallet.
Exactly. Tell me I don't look good, man. Yes. There we go. We in there.
He needs some milk.
Very much. I got these two goofs over here, you know, trying to be with me. I look great. They don't know what style is, but I look great over here. Hold on. How you doing, buddy? If you guys didn't know, that's Clark Media right there.
I was gonna sneak up on you guys, but this is just.
I snuck up on you.
It goes with his chain. Look, his glasses match his chain perfect.
Yes, sir.
If you buy that and wear that tonight, I'll put you in my video.
Well, see, the way my life is set up, because these glasses is like, what is it, $40? The way my life is set up, I don't like blowing money. Like, hey, how you doing, man? Yusuf, come here. No, don't act like you don't know what you're seeing right now. Yusuf, come on. There he is.
I just took a quick shower.
I am just
Exactly. You already know.
Bro, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We are out here. So,
Suka blood. Speak in Russian.
Suka bled.
Yeah.
Suka bled.
Yeah.
There we go.
We're calling them bitches right now.
Yes. Oh shit.
Yeah.
We're having a great time out here, you know? I'm enjoying myself a whole lot.
Here, baby.
I'm having a great time out here, guys. I'm gonna get back to you guys, you know, when we get to Durham or whatever, you know, I guess 3rd, 4th, 5th spot, whatever way I didn't say it. But, you know, I'm gonna hit back to you guys when we get there. So I talk to y'all later. All right, so we just pulled up to the Mopar, you know, pre-meet here in Raleigh, you know. Got all the Mopars over here, you know. Simple boat meet, you know. Then we got a Z01 right there. Shit sound good as hell. But for right now, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. IG. Ooh. Subscribe. We just got here. We at Durham spot. We got our boys right here. That's my fellow brother right here. Look at him. How you doing, sir?
I'm having fun.
I'm having fun too.
We just revving these engines up on private property. Where we going? What we doing? What's playing, guys? Not here though. Find somewhere else to go.
I don't know. I guess we're just chilling.
Find somewhere else to go. Bye-bye.
I'm here from Charlotte, so you know,
Okay.
I'm not even from here.
Charlotte's
you know?
a good place. I love Charlotte too.
Yes, sir.
I love Charlotte too.
Just had to come check out, you know.
Okay.
Had to check out, you know,
We
Raleigh.
having a problem with everybody want to race.
Want to race?
Nobody want to race over here.
Everybody
Why are we here? I mean, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I got my body camera rolling, so if everybody got a problem.
what's good?
Nobody wants to be on camera? I got camera rolling. So that way it's my protection, yours. And plus we got a tow truck getting ready to tow some cars that ain't supposed to be here. So if they hook up to your car, it's about $225.
I ain't in no
So it's $225. Listen what I'm saying. All right. Listen what I'm saying. That's nonsense. Cookout can't tell you to be in this car.
That's what I was told.
Okay. Well, that's enough. That's enough.
I feel like he could be my granddad, though, you know.
All right, guys.
Looking cool.
Find somewhere else to be. Let's go.
We can get some haircuts.
They're not even open.
We're riding the same car for Charlotte, so we just messing around.
I don't think they open either.
Yeah, they got the open car.
That don't mean they open sometimes. That's all right.
That'd be scared.
When he hook up to one of your cars, remember, you got to pay the money to get it out.
Got Carolina car culture. You got my
Hey,
granddad.
What's the number of Durham?
Yes, that is. Bro, I would tell you, I'm claiming him as my granddad, man. He has now been claimed by me as his granddad.
Like 1,000 people that
That exhausts.
Well, I'm the first one from Charlotte that even claimed you. There we go. Yes, sir. There we go.
That's true.
Yes. But we out here having a great time. Got Kaylee Spears right. You already know.
Is him your dad?
Huh?
Is he your dad?
Yes, he just claimed me. He dapped me up. That's all I
He
did.
is on that Carolina stance shit, bro.
We over here squatted with the yeah. You already know. Not everybody out here.
Right now.
I get back to you guys right now. I'm gonna go talk to my granddad. All right, peace. That's my friend for like, what is it, 5 years now? 6 years? That's my boy. Yes, sir. Came from nothing to something. Shit, that was loud. Good Jesus. What? That shit was loud. Get it, twin turbo LS. You already know. Twin turbo LS all the way. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yeah. Go. Hold on. Hold on. Spot number 2. We here. We got Monica, Carson, Elzaya. Let's get it. We got the Mustangs. You already know. Sorry, the quality is a little bit different. It's raining out here and it's a little bit muggy. You already know.
Let's go see this man. Look at it. Look at it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What up, what up, what up?
Knockout
What's going on,
360.
man? This
I
spot,
told
what, number
y'all.
3?
Yeah, that's number 3, I
This
think.
number 3. That's
Yes,
okay.
sir.
I'm sure we got about
This is
8
number
more.
2 Durham sponsor.
2 Durham, yeah. 2 Durham.
2 Durham.
2
It's
Durham.
like number 6 for us in Charlotte.
Yeah, yeah.
Or 7.
Or 7.
You know, I just gotta promote the channel, you know. Gotta tell everybody.
That's right.
Subscribe, motherfuckers.
Ronnie Clark.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir. Wait till you see this video today. I did some crazy stuff in the gas station that you don't want to see.
Bro, it was so funny.
Yes, sir.
Guys.
But I'll get back to you guys. I'll talk to y'all later. We out here.
And make sure that young nigga fall there. Count up the blues, all there. Come to your city, we hit up the mall, we ball there. I ain't finna bang the back out in the all black be more to the shit, bitch, I be out there. Say you want smoke that ball cat, then between you and back the back out in the all black be more to the shit, bitch, I be out there. Say you want smoke that ball cat, then between you and the bitch, small cat. I'm tryna take that little nigga to the sky. And make sure that young nigga fall there. Count up the blues, all there. Come to your city, we hit up the mall, we ball there. I ain't finna bang the back out in the all black be more to the shit, bitch, I be out there. Say you want smoke that ball cat, then between you and the bitch, the small cat. I'm tryna take that little nigga to the sky. And make sure that young nigga fall there. Count up the blues, all there. Come to your city, we hit up the mall, we ball there.
Bro, he has a whole sticker machine in the bag.
That's a nice ass Instagram.
This
shit.
is what you call young entrepreneurship right here. I'm telling you. When you come to a meet and you know people need stickers,
No,
you got a
don't
whole
cuss.
sticker machine. Huh?
Don't cuss around the kids.
I didn't cuss.
Yes, you did.
I did? I didn't even know. What did I say? Huh?
Oh, that's shit. That's not
Oh,
good.
shit. It's okay. I guarantee you done said it one time. You probably said it in the middle of an Xbox game. Be like, shit. There you go. Nah, but this man's out here doing it right. Look at this. Alright guys, so we just got to the swing part of the night. Hopefully, well, it ain't hopefully, this shit about to go down. I'm just gonna say it like that. But right now, they're having some fun. These boys crazy out here. You got the big body Beamer out here, swinging it. Everybody's soaking wet, but we out here having a great time. As you see, you know, having a great, awesome time. You already know. But I'm gonna flip my camera so you guys can, you know, since I'm on the phone and kind of can't get it, you know, how the regular cameras get it. But I'm gonna flip my phone and show you all these, you know, crazy edits and shit, you know. I'll talk to you guys later.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out.
out here riding. About to do a little something in the Charger. You already know. Yes, sir. Yo, this shit is fun as hell. Oh. Boy, that shit was crazy. I never been actually like full on like swinging. That shit was actually pretty fun. I would definitely do that shit again. That was a lot of fun. Now we got a vet out here swinging again. That was a lot of fun. I hope it comes out as a good quality. But it's pretty dark out here, but can't wait to do that again. But you know, I want to bring the experience to you guys. Boy. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you back. I'm gonna hit you guys back up, you know, with some different videos. I'm gonna try to slow-mo this real quick. All right, peace.
With some bop in it. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga. Oh, you asking for pictures with niggas? What's your name? Get the fuck out the spot, nigga. Tryna figure which deal I'ma take. I woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, bless you hear me talking about finding some money. Let's go. As soon as I found that, I flipped that. I'm a little bit different, they get it. No stiff on the bitches, she dig. Tryna find out why baby ain't all in the mentions. No, she ain't get no DM from me. Bitch, this rich nigga dick, it ain't free. She be throwing that at, yeah, she good at it. Turn around when we fuck, make her look at it. She like, I needed some shit with some bop in it. Let's go. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it legitly. I'm still with the shits, I'm a hot nigga. I'm unorthodox.
What's up, guys? So, just got back from Durham. Had a great time, you know, chilled out with Knockout 360. We got some fire coming our way. I'm not acting like it, but I am tired, like literally tired. Took that drive back after going there and, you know, staying there the whole time. It was raining, but I still got footage for you guys, still got some fire, but I'm tired. It is like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to work tomorrow. There's no way possible that that's going to happen. So hopefully I can try to edit this stuff, you know, tomorrow and get everything out. I met a lot of great people, you know, saw some Corvettes shoot some flames, some, you know, G's and stuff. Everybody was swinging it. That was my first time actually going drifting. But I don't want to make it too long. So that was just basically a recap. Thank you for watching. I'm Ronnie Clark. I'm out. Peace.
Rose gon' roll it on the nigga, put the whole damn hood on. Petronetta knew I had put the drip on. Ask me how many niggas I done put on. My private plane's about to fly with the good old. I fuck with bougie bitches, fuck a hood hoe. Hit that bitch from the back and told her ditto. Seen the Jason